Hello there, my name is Emin Soft. In this video I wanted to show some small development we done for one of our client regarding Bitrix self-hosted customization for the total cost calculation of each tasks in total using filters of Bitrix and inside to the groups. Right, so what we have actually done. Inside of the task and projects, we added some calculation: total cost in euro, total hours, total cost in euro, and synchronization date. What that actually mean? We have a tasks. We added custom field euro. Each task it could be, for example, for supply. Each task, for example, if you buy something inside of a task, you can put cost of that equipment. For example, if I will create a task, and that task means equipment 1, I'm selecting responsible person and so on. So I selecting that I spend for that equipment euro in amount on 1000 euro, and I'm saving that, right? Equipment 1. So for equipment 1 I spend 1000 euro in as a total cost. But for example, I get another equipment, for example pump, for USD for 500 USD. Right, so I got in task I got two tasks. For each task dedicated for particular equipment I spent for project, right? And I can now in selected task I can see how much is that total cost I spent in euro. So what we actually done, we connected some service which is for the conversion currency, which convert US dollars to euro and put in calculation of in total cost. Okay, right. If that data could be seen inside of the work groups as well. If I'm going to the work groups, go to some group, go to a task. So in that tasks I can see that I got where is it, total cost of this calculated here. And the beauty of the solution is that I can use a filter to do the calculation. So for example, if I will put in that filter only test 2 or any tasks with test 3, it will calculate only display tasks. So you see that price is different now. And synchronization date is a date of currency rate, because currency rate each day different. So you can see in which particular date that calculation of euro is here, right? Also you can see that calculation for all tasks inside of a group. So for example, one group will be for you a calculation for a particular project. All right, for example, you're going to buy some equipment for the for project A, and you can calculate, for example, you can filter here only project test group, and you can see that only filtered projects you can see the cost. So you can see that by inside, so the calculation could be inside of a group or by groups or just on total. So task could be even be without group, and you can see the total calculation, total cost for each task. But also project is not about only spending in equipment, it's also about manpower. Manpower, how many hours each particular employee spend for the project. So for that, you need to understand who is the responsible person for that particular task. For example, inside of each employee, we added the custom field hour rate. So we're using hour rate to calculate work cost. Okay. So for example, I'm creating a task. I'm responsible person, and I'm putting nothing here. And in that task, I'm spending some time. Okay. And so I spent 10 hours, and that means that I will filter only that task. And that means that calculation will be here for work cost. Okay, so you got total cost, which is data which you physically put inside of a task. Here is a work cost, so how many employees spend hours for a particular project. All right, so this is a calculation for euro because I'm in my profile. I put my hourly rate in USD, in American dollars, and that converted to euro anyway. If I will put euro, that will be not converted. Okay, so using that solution, you can calculate all projects you're running. Actually, client requested to copy and paste some functionality of Monday.com to Bitrix24. And so inside of Bitrix, you got many other tools except this. But with this useful feature from Monday.com could be developed inside of a Bitrix. Right, so small development, short video. If you like that video, please click like. If you got the questions about that development, put your comments under that video. So thank you and bye-bye.